Ninja H2. Look at this, it's like a cave made up of trees.
Hi, what's up everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. It's a long weekend. Today is Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd of October. Today I will be heading to Gudibande Fort along with one of my buddy. He's coming along with his family. So he will be coming in car and I am going by my bike. Gudibande is almost 110 kilometers from Bangalore. So the to and fro will be around 220 kilometers, not more than that. It's a small trekking spot, and as well as you can get a nice scenic view from the top of that hill. Just Google it out, Gudibande, then you will be understanding like how it looks like. As of now, that's the plan. I'm waiting for him. Once he is in, then we will be starting. I'm waiting near Koramangala Forum. So I think he already started. Once he is in, then we'll be going. Here they go, they reached. That is my friend Puneet along with his wife Sonam. Say hi to all the viewers.
Hi. Do you say hi?
That is their daughter Pia. She's still in sleepy mode. Too early for her. Okay, let's go. Just put on the maps. Okay.
Yeah, we are starting now. Let's go. After doing this 3M polishing, I feel like it's worth every penny that we pay for that polishing. See how clean my dashboard looks, how clean this whole black, it is looking proper black now. When your bike is clean, you will enjoy the ride at most. I hope the weather won't ditches us. I don't think so, because yesterday it was way too sunny. Today I don't think it will rain. Puneet might be coming little bit slow because it's a car, and maneuvering in the city will be a big task for him. So I will be in control of my speeds. I will at max I will try to stay up with him. Once we hit the highway, then I will speed up a bit. Till then I will be just going in the city limits. Though the roads are free, I don't want them to left so behind. I will never plan my rides basically. It will be like a random plan. If I plan something, then it will be like, trust me, it will be a flop. So I will never go with the planned plans. Always the plan should be random, then only we can enjoy. That is what I believe. I don't know what you guys think about it. Just comment down below. Look at this guy, without any indicator he directly shifted 2 lanes, proper 2 lanes, complete left to complete right. Big round of applause. Today everywhere it is green. I love green lights. I don't know where you guys are up to this long weekend. Just comment down below whatever place you are going to. If I find any new place from the list of things which you commented down, I might be going to those places. Yeah, and one more thing, yesterday I got some few DMs. That is good to see those DMs on my Instagram. Some of you guys were asking me what is my riding jacket size. It's M buddies, it's M, and my riding pants are S. We should always go with one size lower than your regular size. That is how the riding gear should be. If your shirt size, your casual shirt size is large, then go for medium. If your casual pant size is large, again go for medium. We are just crossing Kabban Park area, and I think there are some cyclist. They are discussing something over there. There is your Tejas aircraft. I can see few bikers on the way. Dominar. Just entered onto this Hyderabad highway. This is one very good road which I like. Rides on this road will be like a pleasure. This is one of the meeting point for all the bikers. Hebbal opposite to ST Mall, many of them will be there always. That is the ST Mall. Roads are really empty today. Good. We can properly enjoy the ride. I can see a Buza, and I don't know what's the other one is. Gixxer. I'm in triple digit speeds now. I don't know whether the mic is able to capture my voice or not. Let's check this as well. But we are already on the highway. We are about to enter the toll gate, Devanali toll gate. In other words, airport toll gate. After crossing the toll gate, I will just wait few minutes for Punit to join. I was really hitting a very good speed. He might be a little bit behind, so let's wait for him for some. This is the Devanali toll gate. We'll just wait somewhere over here for some time and then we can go. Let's wait for them. That's my beauty, that's my baby. Oh, we are done with filling it up. It almost crossed half tank level, so this is good enough. I don't know where Punit is. Content of the day, we got it. Ninja H2. Beast, guys, it's a beast. It's a beast. We just took a deviation from National Highway. We need to take left in 500 meters. I think so. From this left we need to go ahead for Gudibande. This will be after crossing the Chikbalapur. From here it will be 15 kilometers. The place where we are going, Gudibande Fort. Once we enter into this villages, right, the fragrance will be something different. No pollution, nothing, full of this greenery. Everything, that whole atmosphere itself will change. Now I am actually feeling a bit cold, though it is almost, what is that, 8:15 in the morning, but still I am feeling little bit of cold. If it is in city, you will definitely feel like I know you guys know better than me how it will be like. Look at the view, guys. Full of trees, so much of greenery around, very minimal vehicles. I can hardly see vehicles on this road. Look at this, it's like a cave made up of trees. I'm just passing through them. These types of mornings will actually make you so refreshed. This will take all the stress out of you. We don't need to rev our engines, we don't need to do any sort of speeding stuff over here. Just go relaxedly. Now you can see I'm just in 50s, 60s. Look at the view, guys. We are entering the Gudibande, guys. That is the lake which is getting famous these days. I don't know why. I came here a few years back, like almost like 2 years back. This is the lake with red water. I think it's because of the rain it turned into red color. I think there is a better view somewhere over here, I guess. Yeah, I think you guys can see. This is the lake which is getting famous these days. Gudibande Lake. Let's stop over here and see. I don't know what is the speciality for this lake. I couldn't see anything much other than a red and brown water. Let's wait for Puneet. Yeah, here he is. This is the first spot. This is the first spot. It's a lake.
So this is one of the location, guys, on the way to Gudibande Fort. And this is one random lake, but these days it is getting more famous. I don't know why. It's all filled with this brown and red water because of rains, but it's a very huge lake. What do you say, Puneet?
It's very beautiful.
How much beautiful it is.
After coming from so many months of lockdown, I feel the fresh air.
That's true. I was also telling them the same thing on my way.
Yeah.
Let's ask Sonam.
You can feel the freedom.
What do you feel
About lake or?
about the lake and about the drive?
It's awesome. So much of water is there. It looks wonderful.
Along with us, many other bikers are also there. Yeah. We are done here. Now we will go to that hilltop. I think you guys can see there on that hilltop there is that fort, Gudibande Fort. We'll go there. Now this is a decent place. It's not that crowded as of now because it's just getting popular via Instagram and Facebook. Other than that, there is nothing much. You can just stand by over here and have 5-10 minutes of good time with fresh air. Yeah, now we'll go there. Wow, good that they have this petrol bunk as well. Yeah, that is much needed. I think this village is somewhere around 15 kilometers from the actual highway.
So they definitely need one petrol bunk. Thank you. Yeah, so where was I? Those police stopped me for checking whether I was wearing mask or not. With this big helmet, they were unable to figure it out whether I was wearing mask. So I just stopped and I showed them that I was wearing mask, and they let me go. ಅಣ್ಣ ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇದಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ನಿಮ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡಿಬಡೆನಾ? ಹೌದಾ? Good. It's really mandatory to check once we enter these villages, because these villages are clean as of now, very minimal cases. It's better if we also take care of ourselves, that we will be